हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे आरजी भंडारकर के बारे में। मॉडर्न हिस्टोग्राफी में आता है ये क्वेश्चन, राइट अबाउट आरजी भंडारकर। तो ये बीए और एमए दोनों में आता है। तो फर्स्ट क्या है आरजी भंडारकर, और इसमें क्या है कि एक और है आरसी मजुमदार के बारे में। तो दोनों हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। द अर्लीस्ट इंडिजीनियस मॉडर्न historian ऑफ इंडिया वाज रामाकृष्ण गोपाल भंडारकर। तो आरजी भंडारकर का ये फुल नाम था। In the realm of political history, Bhandarkar produced two very valuable monographic, The Early History of the Deccan 1884 and The Peep into the Early History of India 1900। तो अगर एमए वाले हैं तो ये दोनों बुक का नाम याद रखें, क्योंकि ये दोनों बुक वाइवा में पक्का पूछा जाता है कि आप आरजी भंडारकर का बुक का नाम बताइए। तो द ऑथर मॉडेस्टी कॉल द हिस्ट्री ऑफ डेक्कन merely congeries of fact. The work gives a historical account of the Western India from the earliest time to the Muslim conquest. It is not merely a political history, but one informing the reader of the social, economic, and the religious condition of the Deccan during the period cover, as also the state of the literature and art. A peep into the early history of India is a brief survey of the early history of northern India from the beginning of the modern period to the end of the Gupta Empire. Again, political history is supplemented by the information given to the Brahminical revival under the Imperial Gupta as reflected in the religion, literature, and art of the period. Both works are thus integral in approach, treated with a complete mastery of details and command over the critical apparatus. In one of his numerous papers entitled The Critical, Comparative and Historical Method of Inquiry, as well as in the introduction to the Peep into the Early History of India, one gets a glimpse of the Vandarkar idea on methodology. He insisted on strict impartiality as of a judge and condemned the attitude of an advocate or prosecuting counsel in a historian. The scholar's aim should be dry truth. He should, in every case, determine the credibility of the witness before him. In the matter of analysis, a source criticism, Bhandarkar was more meticulous than many European scholars of the time, and found much fault with a Vincent Smith on this score. Though patriotic, he was not anti-British, and he did not share the tendency of some Indian civilization and claim a high antiquity for some of the occurrence in the history. Bhandarkar Oriental Research Institute at Pune is a worthy and abiding monument to the scholar historian. तो ये था आरजी भंडारकर के बारे में। अब है क्या आरसी मजुमदार के बारे में। तो आरसी मजुमदार का जन्म 1888 में और इनका डेथ 1980 में हुआ था। तो इनका फुल नेम है क्या, रोमेश चंद्र मजुमदार। तो फुल नेम भी हम लोग याद रखें, क्योंकि वाइवा में अक्सर पूछ दिया जाता है कि बताइए आरसी आरसी मजुमदार का फुल नेम क्या है। तो रोमेश चंद्र मजुमदार। He was vice president of the International Commission of a History of the Scientist and Cultural Development of Mankind set up by the UNESCO, and the chief editor of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan monumental 11th volume, The History and Culture of Indian People. The most important corporate life in ancient India, outline of ancient Indian history and civilization, the 3-volume Ancient Indian Colonies in a Far East, a history of Bengal, classical account of India, the collaborative An advanced history of India, penal settlement in the Andaman, history of the freedom movement, the Sepoy Mutiny, and the revolt of 1857, and contribution to the history of the culture of the Indian people. His outline of the ancient Indian history and civilization 1927 is projected on a large canvas. The work went into a sixth edition till 1971. Majumdar's early history of Bengal developed into a substantial corporative work. Majumdar has been charged of a nationalist, imperialist point of view for a describing like Nilkant Sastri the Indianized state of Southeast Asia as a Hindu colonies. Majumdar was co-author with K. K. Datta and R. C. Rai Chaudhary of an advanced history of India. Intended for advanced student of Indian history, the history and culture of the Indian people in 11 major volume in monumental in its conception, dimension and execution. तो ये था आरसी मजूमदार और आरजी भंडारकर पे। आई होप आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो। प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड शेयर द वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू।